Common writing errors. Hey there, welcome back to the English Lab, where we fix your writing one mistake at a time. Today, I'm breaking down 5 super common writing errors that even the best writers make, and how you can avoid them starting right now. Let's go. Mistake number 1. Run-on sentences. You've probably seen sentences that just keep going and going, with no end in sight. For example, I love writing, I hate editing. Yeah, that's a classic run-on. The fix? Just add a period, semicolon, or a coordinating conjunction. So it becomes, I love writing, I hate editing. Quick, clean, and easy to read. Mistake number 2. Misusing apostrophes. This one's everywhere. Let's clear it up once and for all. It's with an apostrophe means it is. It's without the apostrophe shows possession. Tiny punctuation. Big difference. Mistake number 3. Wordiness. Ever written something like due to the fact that, instead of just saying because? Yeah, guilty, we all are. Wordiness can make your writing sound bloated or overly formal. Clear writing equals strong writing. Mistake number 4. Confused homophones. Let's talk about the tricky ones that sound the same but mean totally different things. Like, affect, verb, versus effect, noun. Accept, to receive, versus accept, to exclude. Then, time, versus than, comparison. Mistake number 5. Sentence fragments. Here's one that sneaks in during edits. The sentence fragment. Example, while I was writing, sounds dramatic, but it's not complete. We're missing the what happened. Remember, mistakes are part of the process. The key is learning how to catch them before you hit send. If you've made any of these, and let's be honest, we all have, drop a comment and let me know which one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a lesson from the English Lab. See you next time.